Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome to e-learning. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Now, most of the schools have started online education. Those who are not in Google Classroom, please join Google Classroom using given Google Classroom code. I hope you all enjoyed this audio and video class, and I like to thank parents, those who are supporting us. Please support us and also please make your child to learn, because we never stop learning. That's why we also started online classes to make use of your quality time. And today I am going to revise you collective nouns. We already learnt in our class about nouns and collective nouns. Is it? Now I am going to recollect it. Listen carefully, children. First, what do you know by nouns? Do you have any ideas? Okay. I hope you already learnt about nouns. Anyone can guess? Okay. Names are nothing but people, place, animals and things. These are called as nouns. People. First one is a picture of a girl. We named it as Anita. And second one is a place. Forest is an example for place. And then third one is a animal. It is a elephant. And fourth one is mobile. It's a thing. So, person, place and things and also animals are called as nouns. So, we have types of nouns also. There are 6 types of nouns. In this class, you are going to revise only about collective nouns. Is it clear to you, children? So, come, let's move on to kinds of nouns. What are the kinds of nouns? They are proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, countable and uncountable noun and also abstract noun. These are the types of nouns. From all these types, I am going to revise you about collective nouns only. Yes, very good. Do you have any idea about collective nouns? Can you recollect it? Anyone can please? Okay, fine. What are the pictures given in this slide? Can you refer it? First one is a banana and second one is flower and third one is a group of animal. How we call them as? So here are the collective nouns explanation. The name used for a group of things. Name used for a group of things is called as collective nouns. It can be animal like squirrels or elephant. It can be things like tables or trees. We have collective noun to indicate any group. So here are some more explanations and also examples, children. A collective noun is word used to represent a group of people or things or animals. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people, animal or things. Bunch of grapes, square of singers and flock of birds. And some more examples are also given here. This is just for your reference only. And here I also attached book back exercise. We are going to revise it also. Okay. First one is an army of ants and second one is a flock of sheep. Third one is a pride of lions and fourth one is a school of fish and last one is a paddling of ducks. And some more examples also given. A colony of ants, a flock of birds, a block of flats, a bunch of grapes. Listen carefully, you have book back exercise regarding this only. A choir of singers, a circle of friends, a pack of wolves and a parliament of owls. These are also some more examples. And first one is here given is a herd of cows, a flock of birds, and third one is a swarm of flies. So some more examples also here. And again I explain you clearly about collective nouns. Collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, place and things. A herd of cows, a flock of birds and a swarm of flies. Is it clear to you? Okay children. Now let's we move on to some other examples also. A pack of dogs. We referred a group of dogs as a pack of dogs. And second one is school of fish. We refer group of fish as a school of fish. And third one is a bunch of keys. If many keys are there means we referred it as a bunch of keys. And next one is a team of horse. Is it clear to you children? Okay, let's we move on to last one, a class of students. And now these are your book back exercise. Can you guess the answers? Now you are going to write the collective nouns. A dash of birds and a dash of grapes. Can you guess the answers? Yes, very good. The answers of a flock of birds. First one is a flock of birds and then second one is how we referred grapes, a bunch of grapes. Very good children. And then now we move on to second one. Okay. Now you are going to match the picture with the correct collective nouns. Second Roman number is now you are going to match the picture with the collective nouns. Is it clear to you? Okay, come let's we move on to first one. A flock of goats. And the second one is a bouquet of flowers. Third one is an army of soldiers. And then fourth one is a shoal of fish. And then fifth one is a choir of singers. Can you guess these answers? We already learned about it, right? Can you guess it? So here are your answers. First one is a flock of birds is here and second one is flowers, bouquet of flowers or second one, and third is an army of soldiers. This is your third one. And then next one, very good children, and next one is fourth is an shoal of fish. Where is the group of fish? We refer group of fish as a shoal of fish. So this is your fourth one. And then fifth one is a choir of singers. That's it. Your book back exercise are completed. Now you are going to write the collective nouns which we covered as book back exercise. Today I revised you about collective nouns and also I revised you book back exercise. Is it? I hope you understood clearly. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me, children. And thank you so much for your support, parents. Once again, I thank you all. I hope you enjoyed this topic. Thank you.